Sasisen pat khuble ye fi baro bat phidang ye pe ye ka khubor jong Mawphor habegnya ya chaprang bat ka khubor hagani ka por tugin ye pe ye ki mat ke ba kongsan jong ka khubor kumne kumu working president ka MSOA nga shimmi ka jingkit kli bat panma ye ki jing bombyang ong uba John omdan ba itu ye ki party reulom ha Delhi tang i poster rit ru omdan ong uba Preston kat ban poi ki kali penlip ding ki yeng kila ingkhong dawa police station ka HANM kular umentri CUET bafin snow tho khampa sngap ye jing batai babnia now education minister ba L Rambui issue them motor kamut bangin pediang be 6% ya ka baki dawa play umentri rang ba ye ki atli ki surok bat ka multi facility center habernihat pentut ulap ba ya ka mega event bat SSG mela habernihat Penkup buram ka sarot iman yagi kanun tho khubor ka Jingjia Journalist Association. Penlong ka office SDSEO ya ka quiz competition ha Anderson Higher Secondary School.
Well, like I mentioned just now, I take full responsibility and I apologize for this shortcoming in our competition, which we didn't expect the unexpected arrival of the large number of athletes. So yes, we can do better. We will do better next time. We learned through this mistake, and I have appealed to all the athletes, all the associations, all the district associations to take it in a sporting spirit. We faced a lot of challenges. The MSA intention was to ensure that the games continue, right? However, that is no excuse for us. We must make it better, right? So what we will do is we will review this after this games are over. We'll have a review meeting and we will find out where all are the shortcomings, and we assure everyone that we will improve this situation. You see, there was a training hall which was used also in the 2020. So the difference was in 2020, third Meghalaya Games, we held it in February. So there were no rains. So this time we are holding it in the first week of May. This also teaches us incessant rains for the last 2-3 days caused all the seepage, leakage on that particular indoor hall. And that's how, obviously if there's some seepage and leakage, then athletes will be unhappy. And as I think there were unused toilets, which were a no-go area, because we had instructed all not to use them. At this age of social media, somehow somebody takes a picture and then circulates it, and So, well, like I said, we have provided bio toilets, we have provided additional toilets, temporary toilets, and hence, like I said, we accept all these shortcomings. I take full responsibility as the working president of the MSA, and we will try to learn from it. The entire committee, their focus was on how to ensure that the games are consistent. Like as you said, we had the second games in 2004, and we had the third after 16 years. So, we are grateful to the government and to the Department of Sports for supporting this agenda. Yes, I agree. We will all see and said, after the games, we will sit and review, and we'll find out where were the shortcomings, and we'll improve on them.
Pati mga sumunod na tulong baka MPP, kinuyalang din na Meghalaya. Ngayon nag-iklan niya kiniki regional party. Ngayon nag-iklan din. Apo Meghalaya, buwan tali kiniki regional party. Dahil nga sa doon kito kilito sa gigibaon baka party kakuno ang kanapara. Po'y kautim na mithuso. Po'y na ito hitang doon siya ka bayapayo. Kila panudur baka MPP jongi ka doon man ka office ay ka Sarkar India. Ka office ka bahantay Delhi. Ka bahantay Delhi. Bangilabo hantay kinomtray. Balada ki North East kipadba jongi kita ng problem. Kila panyagandu ya kinomtray jongi hantay po office. Pagkakatan yung office, kami kita matakan yung North Avenue, Hapo Delhi. Balpinrong nang to ban rong office jong ka parti NPP. Pila sila asuko pila chidali. Pisulong marway. Let away. Let ya pisito. Ya cita sipo. Ang tapo North Avenue. Kiligwat ya ka parti NPP kan don hangta. Kadur kodrat sama kan jereng don hangta. Kadur badu prestun don hangta. Ani may gerat na Amy Unubreo. Mundur siya kiway-kiway. Piong WHSBTP, Piong EUDP, Piong Poro. Taliway po story dulu ang day. Teman-teman kita KPP. PE. Ngapen palang ni kejimut jampi ki leaders. John KPP ang naisya.
ka HANM Riboy District ha ka South Rik ujamang ka lelit banya kendo ya uba lak men remboi menteri ki kampo yeng ke jylla but IT ya ka dorkas halo ka jingdawa kan tiu kerdan ya ka umsning police outpost shaka police station bapura uba pateng marching president keseng habakren chikilat pathai khubor hadian jong ka jingya kendo ulo ong bakat kum ka jingya jong ka por banna ka jing bagi pat ba ka ya kendo ka umsning police outpost kaladon kam kirki ban kan tiu kerdan no shaka police station ka bapura bali ya thu ru banna kaliang jong umentri ulakular ban pej halo jong ka nikamat ka badon kam
mission kaba kasih ke opus dan chat apa ya tu nruk wajar bat kisnom ki bakut ki boy sanpur li kisnom te ngila idon kam banok grip no ya kata ka opus ya ka police station nomor ko umsling kadai ka sen kadai ka wei na ki sentar kaba ki pai ba ki lek ki wan ma ko kadong ri boy ke jongi tena kale ka seng ngi penpau saka sorkar bat kamtam ya ihum minister ba kene singi o nyai kuble i ba ila ga asuran na kamta abai dai bat kene ka kam tingi ngi skam ka e ga ba ila kula rahmat ngi ka seng ngi ba ka kam kan sa urong knang ba ga jisup kan wan ya upai ba no sung jong ka umsling i bro gawai amar ngi i sibun ki jinge ngilap ba teng kumban su anong sa ba don ki jing pluing jenjar hapo riam sling kan apa ki fair service ping ngala ingkong kadaw kalong ba tangka outpost kan no egila kawai bangi iba ki manpower ki duna ka outpost te kunta la don kam kerki ye kena ka outpost banok grid no syaka police station te nagale ka seng kanungkut de matasngi nginang ya budin ye kena ka kam hadu bakan urlong bangi kwa iba hinyo ya ka police station ha ka ya po musling
kat kum notification ba baro ki khna school ki ba passe class 12 ki ba kwa ban late sha ki undergraduate course ki hab ban yele ya ka si UET kat kum ko notification kabalami nado umach terter te ngi po ka state ngi lai kan nak we ka posh ko ka por ba ka don sipon ki jing na ka benta ka state ka jongi ba ki khna kin yele ya kaneka test den takadaw o chief minister man shisngi ulay kendo ya o union minister education o dharmendra pradhanji banyakren khnang ba kanum bo jing ya ki khna school ha kaneka state ka jongi te ha ka ta ka jingkren o union minister ula ai ya ka assurance ya chief minister ba ya ki affiliating college lane kilong ki state funded aided lane private college kila ban exam na kaneka CUET Henry ya ki course ki ba ki conduct hi daka university or in campus course wala daki day undergraduate ro ka ki khna ki happy banyale na ka benta kaneka CUET te hakaji kren manshiski ki chief minister ila yo ya kataka assurance ba ka notification kan sami hakini gisni te hadu banga kren menta kalong nakaleng ka jonging impat yo ya kata notification rei base ya kata ka ba lada ya kren ha katu mensisngi ngangai scam ba kanam ranjing issue ya ki khna school bandrung ha ki college henry lada ki to pat ki khna school bakwa banlei shakiwei ki university dan shakiwei college shakiwei pakajaka tengah kentu yaki bakin sngobha ban apply hi mar syak itu bijaka pat lada ki dek university yo kia ka role jong ki pat ka ong yaki bakin priang beda ka CUET tak nga kentu yaki ba kin yele any day kade ban mi namar ba komba philatip hi ka last date kade la shai te kana jingmi jong notification kade ka badan kam ne ka badan kam tam rengi na kalyang sarkar nging la shim ba ka jia kren ba chief minister ba o union minister kalong final
พี่ฮัลโหลจงมันเองงำละมันองคุมนกุมนูรุเต็งเลยก็มองพี่การดอนก็จีชาบากีคิบุอีกิมดอนนักเลี้ยงจงกระตุกคอมมิตี้จงกาฮาริจันคอมมิตี้กับบากีไอช่างงี้หากระตุก last meeting กับบางไอ้กันดูบัดกี้บักคิบุอีกิมดอนจงกี้เต็งเลยคำมุดเป็นองบากตะกันดอนจงกี้กับบางมังงี้นักก็เป็นงีลาบันเปียงชิสปาอะไรชิสปาเดkabang yakut kalong lap syai hi katu sngi ka mi shong meeting ru baki ni kikndon ke ba phibu kalong ka ba mlalong ka ba namar ba pi ka poi ke jingya kren ke jingya ka meeting ke jongi bat kiru kalong hadin ba wat na kaliang ka high court ka advice baladala ban ya sort out la ni ban settle outside jong ka ni ka court tenaradaw ka pelong ba mangiru ikot na kaliang sarkar ban ya kred ban ya sutu jubut batki kadang ba ngila ban perkerja ya kita ke basuk bakir kinmi ke basuk ke pasai kajing sisa kalong ba kajaka ngidot.com hab ban le ke jaka ba ban bu ya ki ha kawi pat ke jaka den re ka taru mo phi ho ki demand kan ni katai den na liang jongi ngila communicate te ha hadu karai kalong ba ngang ong ya ki to ngin mentang ngin prepare samangi na kaliang ka state government ya ka ka bangin de ban le nam ta jong phi bat ba ya kan ni ngin sale sien ngal IT ha ka urban affairs department kita ngi walk out ya kan ni bat hadin baladep kata ngin pha shaki bat hadin nang ta ngan sakhot biang ka meeting sai sin bagini keduk bat ki te hnrei la rajia pat lenrei la rajia pat ba empoi kata ka ji kren sanu shanuru la ra kim hun badai kata ngamla ban ong kum no komot ka jinga kun kan yai piteng namar kum balong menta kan ni issue kadon hapo ka high court ka syong ha ka urban affairs department naman ko pi walk out ya ki detail na dong sedong kenang ba ngin communicate sa kiru office ya ka ka bangi ngis ko de ba ngila ban le ka ban ya biang lang ka ba makiru kanang ta ya ka sa ka syong jongki bat kum juru wat kitu kinong trei ki bla trei ki don ki casual ki don ki permanent jong ka municipal bat ki wei ki department apa ka jylla ka jongi tengi kwa ai ba la ko menurut makiru kin biang pan nakaliang jong ka sarkaru kan biang ngin ya hitai yati
o mentri rang ba ga jylla ukon rat ke sang ma madagasngi ulali ban play ya artli ki surok halum nong tumai bat lum nong rim bernihan kabri ka surok badun kam jonggi paj ba ban panya so shaka PHC bat ka ye bernihan kabadon ha ka ka thain bat kumjo ru ha ka te sngi la yo ban bu ya mau nong rim ban te ya ka multi felicitation center ia ketika surok lamang pisa lang bajong ka state scheme ha ka jinglot ka bashiklur na ka banta ka surok halum nong tumai bat khandai pholak na ka banta ka surok halum nong rim bat kumju ru hunri pholak na ka banta ka te ka multi felicitation center ha bernihan lang bakat nan urban affairs habakren ha ka te ka sgi na kalyang jong ukon rat ke sang ma ulapon pau ka jing sau comment ka bakrau ban yo ban play ya ka kampen roi ha ki thain bernihan ka bereru ka wai ni ki constituency balas dang man keu arsut nado bala shimti dau ba sostune sotun kumu MLA ubla treshi tom na ka minta ban wan ra ki kampen roi ha ka te ka thain
sitting in the middle of the road and having a program like this. So I will definitely remember this program. I don't think I've ever sat in the middle of the road. Some people might look at this and say that CM has come for dharna. But I must clarify there is no dharna. I must congratulate our MLA. He has been somebody who has really very silently but very aggressively worked for his constituency. And in the last 4.5 years, there are 365 days in every year. So you multiply 4 years into 365, that's about 1,200 days. But I can tell you that he has come over 3,000 times to my office. And he has come only for you, only for the constituency. And that is why we are seeing projects like these coming up. Today there are 3 programs in fact in Banihat, in Jirang constituency. We have this road which is about 1 crore, which has been something that the Honorable MLA has been very stressing a lot on because of the connectivity to the PHC. Of course, he forgot to mention that his house also comes on the way, but that is okay. And that will also help the people, by the way, again. But the connection to the PHC is there. And of course, we are also going to be putting up a foundation stone for a multi-utility facility. And that's about 60 lakhs from the Tribal Affairs Ministry. And again, I was sitting in my office one day with my planning officers, and we were deciding where we should give this multi-facility center because we only got one. And I just looked up like this and I saw Bading Soton. And I said, well, let's give it to Jirang because he is always here and asking for the development for his constituency. And so this multi-facility center, which is just one that we're getting in the entire district, has come to Jirang constituency because of his hard work. And of course, after that, we'll be having a very large self-help group, the NRLM Mela, where we'll be distributing a large number of checks to different self-help groups, women's self-help groups, and I think focus program also. And we'll also be having a program for the farmers, which we're calling Focus. Of course, I will not talk much about it, but once again, I would like to congratulate the MLA and thank all of you for having this unique program on the road. I was also noticing that this drone was also very innovative and large requirement, and it's a very highly and densely populated area, and therefore you require the health services out here, and therefore keeping all of that in mind, and of course with the continuous intervention of your MLA, we are determined, and I'm happy to inform you that we will be upgrading this, and very soon, along with your local MLA and the health minister, we will come and we will be doing the necessary program and function for upgradation and sanctioning the necessary post and all the other things that are required to make this into full-fledged PHC. So once again, I wish you all the very best, and once again thank all of you for coming here for this very short but special program, and I wish all of you, especially our MLA and all of you, the very best.
The Honorable Chief Minister in one ban please non neguni surok ubagi palba kinyo ban pinangkam kam ikinong pang giban hablet sa kanika PHC tinga panpawi ya ke jingkublay ya ke corporation ya ke jing trelang na kalang kinong sunong na kumta ban pinbit pinpiang banyo ikidiki jaka nam ta ban snai ginu surok panpawi ya ke jingkublay nang ta panpawi jingkublay ki press and media pada baru ki bedon lang hangi ki bangamla ban jer kerteng. So this is the first road that is going to be inaugurated by your honor, sir. Here, this Lumnang Tumai interior road, and this very special road, sir, it meant so much for us because we have here this PHC, and in this PHC, which covers of almost more than 48,000 population, which we really turn our eyes to you once again, sir, because we know that you are the only person, you are only the leader that can protect, that can save us, that can help us, and especially in the upgradation of this Bonihat PHC. So I will leave it to you, sir, that we, from the people of Jirang constituency, especially the patients who have to come to undertake treatment here. So we are needing your help, sir, for the upgradation of this PHC. And thank you so much for this road, sir. It's a state-sponsored scheme, and the people of our village, we are very proud of you. We are very proud of your government, sir. And we would like to thank, and we also would like to expect many more developments in future.
kum ka jing play lat ye babon ki self help group ha ka tain ri boy but kum jo ru ki village organization na ke banta ban yo ye kila jing rap na ka sarkar ka office jong deputy commissioner ka ri boy district meta ka sngi ka lapan long ye ka mega event but SHG mela hamadan lum nong rim bernihan ka badai ru shibenta jong ka jing rakhe ye ka north east festival halo ka jing dap nyau pusan snem ka ri india ka jing pun ku bore ki kin thai but kum jo ru ka jing dap san post nem jong ka jala megalia Hakate ke mega event but SHG mila lawan manishim bentalang neki kenhun SHG but ki VO beper hakaba labo ru daki dukan beper kum ka jingpen inam yeki kam baki SHG ki latrei but penmi na kate ka thany hakaba lengba kate ge sngi lapau per thai ru baki long kme lengba ki SHG ki treshi tom halaki jongi shnong bande shibon ki kam kum ka jing ka shan dalade lede but ban aimen sem yeki we ki para long kme banyang halaki jongki ki jan Hakate ke sngi na kaliang umentri rang ba ula samru ye ki check kum ka jing rap ye ki long ki me leng ba ki kanun SHG baki don hakaba hakate ke sngi la yo ru ban mang pisa kumba south kandai lak an riu po hajar na ka menta ka village organization but saulak sau po hajar na ka menta ki producer group kum ka jing rap but jing ka shan ye ki long ki me hakari boy district
Self-help group Mela is another step towards empowering our women. It is another step towards giving financial independence and financial support to the women in our state. It started off in 2018 when we only had 3,000 groups of self-help groups in the state. But after we started working on this in a mission mode, I am happy to inform you that we have more than 35,000 groups today in a matter of 3.5 years that have been formed in the state of Meghalaya, and over 200 crores in terms of different funding patterns, different banking support has today been given to the women of our state and the different self-help groups that are there.
Kawin ki kanun Raymond Sobha ki khatwe ngot shiparalong na juai kabala tipkum ka sarot iman kabala ju senyang ye ki kam baba hapo jong ke imlang salang nado bala seng ye ka hak ar santri kuno pra araja arpo manta ka singi kalapan ku buram kerpang ye ginong tho ku bor ka rilom jaintia hapo kala ma jong ka jaintia journalist association ka sarot iman kala shim ye kani ka benta kum kala ban aimin sem ye ginong tho ku bor ka rilom jaintia bakin nang beteng ban ai ye ka jing shekri ka bahata ma ka imlang salang nakaliang ka sarot iman kalapan ku buram kerpang ye ginong tho ku bor ha ka ni ge sngi ka balong kum ka jing kin mau ya ka sngi jingla lu jong kin nong tho ku bor ban pensngau ye ka hong ka ba ki dei ban ajing tip shaki pa ba ni ka world press freedom day ya ka bla rakhe ya shitlop ka porthai umariko malalu we negit khot ka sarot iman ha ka jing kran nang kot ulapan pau shaphan ki kam jong kilat patai ku bor namar kamlong ka basuk da ka baki hab bantre shitom sngi bat met ban pendep ye ka kamram ban ajing tip shaki imlang salang bat ka porthai hi baro ka we
ini jing em yang ki kre ki met asni wasnya yo yo bentik sha ke imlang ka salang de ki kam yo ha de ki kam ko si ya kam ju dan hei do wai ni ka sala ni man snya pia ga lo kata kata penmani ne gasni penmani to open and promi berku promi yo waro pi members of the Jingjia Journalist Association. You will come here to give no General Secretary, Marcel, and teacher, Dr. Hassanwood. You give a cray on the Henny, the Pentray, the Hassanwood, who is from. You from your Henny, no only without what E, or Henny, or money, or God, the name and you here. Henny got money, come with your money, like a salad, man, Ijodani. Henny pila man ijodi wow ijing e yong i henny la ijing pankre yong i henny la I em pankre wato wa utu e udo yo tu na jidi tu and ijing e yong i henny so salansa I wo chimi na ku ku u chairman ni yo e ya ki ijing is na ba chimi
kum ka jinge shimbenta bat ka jingrakhe ya ka North East Festival bat ka Amrit ka Azadi Mahotsav ka office jang ka sub divisional of school education officer kala penlong ya ka quiz competition na ka benda ki khna apule ha ki higher secondary school ha Anderson Higher Secondary School New Nongstein hakate ka quiz competition lawan ban shimbenta kom ba shipautli ki school na po jong ka district shua ban sedang ya ka quiz layo ya ka jingkren na ikong ar kongwang SD SEO halo jang ka phang bayade kum ka kongsan
various state activities or events are being held in all the districts of our state by different department or organization to celebrate the people, the culture and achievement of the area. So our department, education department, through the office of the DSEOs across the state, that means all the DSEOs in the 12th district, in collaboration with the district planning office, is organizing a quiz competition on Northeast Festival 2022 as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for the students of higher secondary schools in the district. I would like to thank the office of the DSEOs West Castle Hills for, in collaboration with the district planning office of the DC office, for organizing this quiz competition for the student of our district. I believe this competition will greatly benefit our students as well as for all of us present here today, to gain more knowledge about the people, the cultures, and the achievement of our Northeast region. I am very glad to see that many schools are participating out of 12 schools, I think, which the letter have been sent. So 10 schools have respond. So it's a good response. I am very glad that you are participating. I really appreciate your spirit of competition, which is one of the most important stepping stones to success, especially for students. It doesn't matter whether you win or you lose. In a competition, there should be a winner and a loser. Your participation is much more important than winning a trophy.
Ka quiz competition bala penlong da ka office jong ka SD SEO menta ka singi balang South Rik ujembang araja R4R kalalong ka basong shit bat itinan bha na peninggi khna pule jong ki shipautli ki higher secondary school kiblawan bande shimbenta ka St Peters Higher Secondary School kalayo man ra ka kadan ka benungkong bat kalayo man khori ka basket ka bakot 9000 tengka rengkat bat ka trophy kabuan baar ka de ka Anderson Higher Secondary School ha ka bakalayo man ra ka basket ka basan hajar tengka rengkat bat ka trophy kabuan balai ka de ka Joel Gatford Memorial Higher Secondary School kabalayo man ra ka basket ka bala hajar tengka bat ka trophy ya ka kusnam la sam da ikong R Kongwang Joint Director SDACO ibalong ka kongsan hakan diga sngik Jekumtung ila poi shaka bukut jong ka thup khubor sa shisen pat kuble shibon ya pi baro ta hadu bangine shembyang kuble shibon